Collaborate like a pro using Google Drive for teamwork. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate with your team like a pro using Google Drive. Just stick with me till the end so you don't miss any key features that can make your workflow faster and more efficient. Let's get started. First, head over to drive.google.com and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you can create a new folder by clicking New and selecting Folder. Give it a clear name like Team Project or whatever fits your project best. Then right-click the folder and choose Share. Now here's the collaboration magic. Enter your teammates' email addresses and choose their access level. You can give them viewer, comment, or editor permissions. If you're working closely, editor is usually the best option. Next, inside that shared folder, you can start adding docs, sheets, slides, or any other files your team needs. Just hit New button in the top left corner. Choose what you want to create. Everything saved here is automatically shared with your team, so no more messy email threads or version confusion. A great tip: use comments and suggestions in docs or sheets to give feedback. Just highlight text, right-click, and select Comment. You can even tag a teammate using @sign, followed by their name to assign them tasks directly. That's it. With these features, you and your team can stay totally in sync even if you're working remotely. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe if you want tutorials on other Google tools. Catch you in the next video.